In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new fonts to Google Docs. Whether you're looking to spice up your next presentation or simply want to add a touch of personality to your documents, Google Docs makes it easy to explore and use a wide variety of fonts. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Google Docs. To do this, simply open your internet browser and navigate to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you have the option to either create a blank document or open any existing document you may have. This flexibility allows you to add new fonts to any document you're working on or create a fresh one to experiment with. Next, to access the diverse range of fonts available in Google Docs, you'll need to open the Fonts menu. You'll find this option conveniently located at the top of the toolbar. By default, it might display something familiar like the font name Arial. Simply click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of fonts currently available to you. As you scroll through the drop-down, keep an eye out for an option labeled More Fonts. Clicking on More Fonts will open a new window where the real fun begins as you browse through a vast collection of Google fonts. This pop-up window is the gateway to hundreds of font styles, offering everything from clean, modern designs to more artistic, decorative choices. Take your time to explore this extensive library. Once you've found a font that catches your eye, adding it to your collection is a breeze. All you need to do is click on the font you like. By doing so, it automatically moves into a section labeled My Fonts, which is essentially your personal list. It's an easy and intuitive way to curate a selection of fonts that fit your style and needs. And don't worry, you're not limited to just a few. You can add hundreds of fonts in this way, ensuring that you have plenty of options at your fingertips for any project. After you've selected your desired fonts, proceed by clicking OK. This simple action saves your choices, and now the new fonts will appear in the font menu of your Google Docs. From here on out, whenever you're working in Google Docs, you'll have quick access to your curated font list, ready to be used in any document for personal or professional use. And that's it. You've now successfully added new fonts to Google Docs, expanding your creative possibilities and allowing you to bring a unique touch to all your documents. Whether you're drafting an email, crafting an important proposal, or designing a newsletter, these new fonts can help make your text stand out. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy experimenting with your new fonts.